is some movement that is happening at the Goa airport. The security has been beefed up, and right when Deepika Padukone arrives at the Goa airport, we'll try to get a reaction from her perhaps as well. Actor Rakulpreet Singh has been named in the Bollywood drug probe in Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. She's going to be appearing for Narco Bureau grilling tomorrow. The actor had failed to turn up for grilling today, citing non-receipt of summons. Rakulpreet later received the summons but did not appear before the Narco Bureau called her action as an evasive tactic. Earlier in an official statement, Rakulpreet Singh has claimed that she has received no summons at her Mumbai or Hyderabad residences, but sources in the Narco Bureau have rubbished her claim, saying it is just an excuse to evade questioning over drug links. NCB sources claim that summons was sent to Rakulpreet using various platforms, but she did not respond. Rakulpreet came on the scanner after she was named by RIA during her NCB grilling. Her name was also revealed by talent manager Jaya Saha. In fact, my colleague Ashish Pandey is getting us this ground report from Rakulpreet's Hyderabad residence. Here's a look.
Behind me is the apartment where actress Rakulpreet Singh lives here in Hyderabad, and the security persons of this apartment, they claim that she is not here. Meanwhile, NCB claim that it has served summons to Rakulpreet Singh. On the very other hand, Rakulpreet Singh's she has denied receiving any summon. And meanwhile, earlier Rakulpreet Singh had approached Delhi High Court seeking some legal remedy. But at present, Rakulpreet Singh, she was shooting one movie here in Hyderabad, and the security persons here say that she is not currently living in this apartment.
Divyesh is now joining us for the very latest. Divyesh, there was a little bit of a back and forth between the NCB, given the fact that the NCB claimed that there was a summons given to Rakulpreet. She said she hasn't received it and finally accepted the summons as well. This after the NCB called it an evasive tactic on her part. But now she's going to be facing the heat no matter what.
Yeah, Chaiti, Rakulpreet had claimed that she hasn't received summons, though NCB sources said that in a statement that they had sent summons to Rakulpreet. They tried contacting her on her phone number as well, and on various platforms the summons was sent to Rakulpreet, but she said that she hasn't received any summons. So again, for the second time, summons have been sent to Rakulpreet, and she's been asked to join investigations tomorrow. But as of now, Simon Khambata is under probe. Simon Khambata's statement is being recorded. Rakulpreet, remember, her chats had also surfaced, and her name also came up in statements of the boatman working at the Pauna farmhouse of Sushant Singh Rajput, where he said that Rakulpreet also visited the farmhouse and she had partied with Sushant Singh Rajput and others where drugs were being consumed. Also, her name cropped up in statement of Riya Chakrabarti, where Riya has also claimed that Rakulpreet also consumed drugs at parties hosted by Sushant Singh Rajput.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.